If you're using the Notes panel in Storyline 360 for your script, which we highly recommend, you'll want those notes to be consistently formatted on each slide. Let's explore how you can make that happen by utilizing text styles. In this example course, you can see that I already have my script in the Notes panel. But what if I was given the feedback that I need to change all the notes to Arial instead of Lotto? Well, I can do that here on the very first slide, but then how do I make sure that all of the other slides also use Arial? Well, your Notes panels actually use text styles, which we can update as needed. To do so, if we select the text styles dropdown, we can see that the normal text is currently being used. To the right-hand side of the normal text style, there's an arrow. If we use that, we have an option here to update the style from selection. Let's make that choice, and you'll see any new slides that we go to actually add any notes in will also now start using that Arial font. In addition, any existing slides that already had notes added to them will also start using that text style. Hopefully you now know how to quickly and easily ensure that your notes panel is consistent throughout your course.